Good morning. It's Saturday morning and everybody in my house, sneezing and coughing, they want chicken soup. So I'm going to show you how to make a fast chicken soup. Okay? Here's the poor chicken who died. Water. Here is all the vegetables, the parsley, and the leek, and an onion. And if you leave the skin on the onion after you wash it, your soup will be yellow, which helps. Put this in. Throw it in. Take a piece of cabbage. Nice and fresh. Throw it in. Have your pre-cut carrots washed and ready to go. Throw it in. And look, you have a nice soup. Hope you can see it. Yeah, there it is. Throw salt, pepper, let it boil, and you got a good, healthy chicken soup. And everyone, you can make some noodles or crackers or nothing, and you're all done. 2-minute chicken soup. Let it boil until the chicken is ready. And enjoy and feel better. Everybody coughing, sneezing season? No more. Bye.